Hey bosses, in this video, we'll show you how to use custom fields. Custom fields is the form that you can create when people are making your booking. By default, you always ask for your name, your customer's name and email address. And I'll show you how it works. Go to appointments or any product or service, and you will see this field on top here. This is custom fields, and you could add as many custom fields as you want. And you have different types of custom fields. And by clicking this, you make it required, which means your customer must fill out that form, that type of form, in order for them to move on and make the booking. But you don't have to make it required. So let's say a text field, we'll call it, how old are you? Click save, and we're gonna add another one. Select menu. Let's say you're asking, what size t-shirt are you? And you can make this small, medium. Each line you do different. Extra large, extra large. And we'll make this required because you're giving them a t-shirt. You want to make sure you get the right size. We'll save that. We also have a radio button. And you could say, I don't know, is the sky blue? I know I'm just making up stuff. And you have two options, yes or no. We'll add another one, checkbox. Let's say you want to create a privacy policy using our text pages. You create a privacy policy page. And we'll make this required. And said, I have read your privacy policy and agree to the terms. And we'll just highlight the privacy policy. You can make it a link. We'll just put public.com/privacy. Open it up in a new web tab, click insert, and we'll click save. Let's add another text field. This is a telephone number. What is your phone number? And we'll call this, this is the number I'll call you on for our meeting. Save. And we also have file upload. So let's say you're a podcast host and you want someone's booking you to be on your podcast and you want their headshot. So please upload your headshot. And we will use promoting your podcast episode. Okay, this is all just to show you all the different types of forms you could use. Date. I guess when were you born? Sort of the same thing as how old are you, but you guys get the point. And then we have address. This is great for shipping something. You want to make sure they have the right address. What is your shipping address? I'll make that required. Anything required, you'll see an asterisk in the form. Click save. Okay, now of course you could add as many questions and different types of use cases as you want. We're going to save changes and let's preview it. Pick a time and you'll see the full name and email address. That's the default that everyone has. Here's the text box. How old are you? What size t-shirt? And you can pick what size you are. Is the sky blue? Yes. Privacy policy with a link to the privacy policy. Make sure you read that. Put in your phone number. Please, I say I spelled headshot wrong. Please upload your headshot. Just click the upload button and you'll be able to upload the photo or whatever, or a file, whatever it is you'd like your customer to upload. When were you born? So let's call It's not really my birthday, but why not? What is your shipping address? And we'll just put 1600 Broadway, New York, New York. And that is how custom fields work.